Hello, so today we're working on graphing. If your graphing page does not look like this one, then you can refer to the other video. There's two graphing videos. Graphing. Number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. 2, answer the questions about the graph. We're going to count the numbers, put it in here, and then we're going to answer these questions. First word is shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
5,
Hospital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 hospitals.
7,
If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause. Card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5,
Janitor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6,
And doctor. 1, 2, 3.
3,
All right, so once we're finished with that, we can answer the questions now about the graph that we just filled out. Number 1 says, which word has the most symbols? Which word has the most? So let's look at our words. Shot, hospital, card, janitor, and doctor, right? So look at the amount on each one in our numbers, 5, 7, 5, 6, 3. Which one has the most? The most. Most. The most is, let's see, the word hospital.
hospital,
This one has the most. Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? Fewest. So we know hospital had the most. Which one had the fewest? Is it shot, card, janitor, or doctor? The one with the fewest is doctor.
doctor,
Doctor has the fewest. All right. Number 3, what is the highest number? Which number is the highest? We have 5, 7, 5, 6, 3. Which number is the highest? Let me scroll down a little bit. The highest is hospital, 7.
7,
And then number 4 asks, what is the lowest number? Lowest. So if we go back up, which number is the lowest? 5, 7, 5, 6, 3. And if I scroll over, the lowest number is 3.
3,
This one, doctor. Do any words have the same number? Same number. So let's look. See, are any of these the same? 5, 7, 5, 6, 3. Which words have the same? Do they have it? Yes. Oh, so we're answering either yes or no. Let me scroll so you guys can see that. We're answering yes or no. Are any of them the same? Yes.
yes,
Sorry I have to do so much scrolling. 5 and 5 are the same. Number 6, are there more doctor symbols or card symbols? So are there more doctor symbols or card symbols? We have 5 card symbols and 3 doctor symbols. Which one is more? There are more cards.
card,
And our last question is, How many more janitor symbols are there than shot symbols? So janitors, we're going to have 6. All right, we have 6 janitors here. And then shot symbols, right here, we have 5.
5.
So it would be 6 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just have 1. It's going to be hard for you to see those. The answer is 1.
1.